This is our MCP1 group report presentation. Hello, I'm Helena.
Hi, my name is Anxin.
Hello, my name is Mania Jin Tianwu.
Hi, I'm Yang.
The main issue to be explored in this MCP1 report is that Besky Supermarket has prioritized merchant profit over ethical and social responsibility, impacting on employees, suppliers, and the environment, leading to reputational damage and potential legal risks. Now I'm going to introduce our recommendation 1. The first recommendation is fair supplier partnerships. This initiative focuses on addressing supplier exploitation by creating equitable contracts and supporting sustainable supplier relationships. A well-defined description of recommendation 1. The proposed implementing a fair pricing model for suppliers and ensuring timely payments. Additionally, Besky should provide training and resources to help suppliers adopt sustainable practices. These measures will strengthen supplier relationships, enhance supply chain stability, and align with CSR principles. The next part is task and steps for recommendation 1. Audit current supplier contracts to ensure fairness and compliance. Renegotiate terms for transparent and equitable pricing, and implement supplier training programs to meet sustainability standards, in line with McKinsey's guidelines on ethical and transparent practices.
Considers the people responsible for recommendation 1, the procurement team will lead contract negotiations, while the sustainability team will oversee training programs. Senior management will ensure alignment with Besky's CSR goals and provide necessary support. The next one is about timeline and location for recommendation 1. The new contracts will be implemented in Q2, focusing first on high-volume suppliers, and training programs will roll out in Q3 across all supplier regions. This is the cost for recommendation 1. Certain laws state that supplier development programs can significantly boost supply chain efficiency by improving quality, engagement, and commitment, while reducing costs and enhancing delivery performance, highlighting the long-term benefits of such investments. Next part is potential problems for recommendation 1. Challenges include supplier resistance to new terms and difficulty aligning sustainability practices with smaller suppliers. This can be addressed through incentives and phased implementation.
Let's talk about recommendation 2. Second recommendation is replace single-use plastics with materials that can be recycled. It is focusing on Besky's environmental impact and reliance on single-use plastics. A well-defined distribution of recommendation 2. It recommends replacing single-use plastics with biodegradable materials and establishing a store-wide recycling program. The study highlights the environmental and economic benefits of integrating recycling programs into waste management systems. This initiative will reduce Besky's environmental footprint and rebuild trust with eco-conscious customers. Tasks or steps for recommendation 2. Partner with suppliers to ensure biodegradable packaging. Set up in-store recycling stations for customers to return used materials. conduct public campaigns to raise awareness of the recycling program. And the people responsible for recommendation 2, the environmental team will lead supplier partnerships and oversee recycling program implementation. Study shows a shift from traditional plastics to biodegradable materials in food industry. Store managers will manage daily operations, and the marketing team will handle public campaigns.
Okay, timeline and location for recommendation 2. The program will launch in Q3 at urban locations, with a full rollout planned for Q4. Initial focus will be on high-traffic stores to maximize impact. Next is costs for recommendation 2. Costs include resourcing biodegradable materials, setting up recycling infrastructure, and running public campaigns. These investments are essential for achieving long-term sustainability goals. And potential problems for recommendation 2 is potential challenges include resistance from suppliers to biodegradable packaging costs and low initial participation from customers. This can be addressed through incentive and effective marketing strategies. Finally, in conclusion, addressing supplier exploitation and environmental harm through fair partnerships and recycling initiatives will align best with SCR principles. These recommendations will rebuild trust, enhance reputation, and ensure long-term sustainability. These are our reference list. Thank you for your listening.